YouTubers, the drone is back up and running. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Press the button, and then press the button on the remote. I have the headphones on. Once again, keep the volume low because the drone is extremely loud. Calibrated. You know, let's see what auto orientation does. It crashed. It always does that. Okay. Whoa, that almost hit the strike. That almost hit that bird, which means your parents, actually. Then hit the moon. Did you ever see a drone go so high that it hits the moon? So this kid, that's a meal that we put up for Ramadan, which is the time right now. Actually, you may remember from one of our previous videos. Happy first day of Ramadan. Apparently does not have any batteries. It currently doesn't have any battery remaining to do its done. But like, I'm gonna still do it. Stuff like that. And also doing backwards controlling is hard for me. You know, if I don't keep that dash right there aligned. Yeah. By the way, there's a lot of wind underneath it. It functions better the least slower. Oh, that's an indication that the drone's done. Okay.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna have to hold it. So, bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make ahead of me.